Today, let's take a quick look at Microsoft Copilot and why it has been one of the most valuable AI tools for both learning and modern organizations. Microsoft 365 Copilot brings advanced AI directly into familiar tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and OneNote. It helps users write better content, analyze data faster, summarize meetings, and turn ideas into clear presentations, all inside their everyday workflow. For learning and education, Copilot acts as a powerful AI learning companion. It explains complex topics in simple language, supports personalized learning, helps students practice skills, and encourages deeper understanding rather than just giving answers. For organizations, Copilot improves productivity while respecting enterprise-level security. It works within Microsoft's trusted cloud, follows existing permissions, and keeps data protected, meaning your information stays inside your organization, compliant with privacy and security standards. In short, Microsoft Copilot combines productivity, learning support, and responsible AI, helping people work smarter, learn faster, and focus on what truly matters.